morning, friends. Welcome back, YouTube. Hello, Twitter. It will always be Twitter. Don't argue with me. What's going on, everybody? Just chilling, not doing much. Price action's being a jerk. I don't feel like trading. Didn't trade this morning. I traded London. I was up late last night. Screenshots in the ICT post. I'm just not into it. I turned this new leaf and, going through the change. It's all about the birds and the bees, you know what I mean? Yeah, like I said, I'm not touching this. I wouldn't kiss this price action with your lips. Blah. Maybe tomorrow we get something cool. Like I said, I'm not into it. But we will read the tape for a little bit. Gun to my head, I would like to see price back up in here today. This is my practice aim. Now, does that mean I need that to be profitable? No, not at all. Not at all. So what would that look like? Well, if I was to engage, I'd be doing something like this. So I'll just enter right here, railroad that order block, put my stop there, and put my TP right there. That would be like, pay the trader. Yeah, just bullying price around today. No trades. I'll save it for tomorrow. If it wasn't, if the conditions were better, I would likely be in a trade already. Admittingly, but yeah, like I said, I quit smoking. And yeah, it's tough. It's tough. You've been doing it for decades. Oh, it takes a toll. And yeah, I didn't go to bed till like 3. Right when I was gonna pass out, my daughter started screaming. She's like, Wee! She's teething. So yeah, and then I woke up at 6 a.m. and here we are. And then I don't know what happened. How are you guys doing? 1 to 100, how'd you guys do today? 1 to 100, how did you do? Let me get into the chat. Please share, please like, please subscribe. Got retweet waffin on Twitter. Please share. Please share the YouTube on your social medias. Appreciate you all for joining. I'm pretty sure the live chat's open on Twitter too, so if you guys want to hang out there, you're welcome to. I thought there was a live chat. Oh, maybe not. Dang. Oh well. We got 9 people watching on Twitter. Please share. There's only 1 share, and there's 9 people. Those numbers don't add up. It's not gonna hurt. It's just a little push of a button. Oh, what do we got here? What's up? Shout out. We got E Boogie, Ricky Did It, BD Rose, Last Lap, No Pants, Mario, Busta, Savin, Staz, Wildberries. Congratulations on the pass, bro. Awesome stuff. Proud of you, buddy. Just keep that daily loss limit in check, okay? And then you should do good. One of my students broke his daily loss limit rule. He was able to mitigate that and come out pretty much break even. You got lucky, boy. You got lucky. That type of stuff won't happen. a lot, so don't expect it. Make sure you're minding your daily loss limits. I don't care what system you're trading. I don't care what triangle you got on your charts. Rabbit, horseshoe, crab, bat patterns. Elliott wave. Okay, it doesn't matter what you're playing. What matters is you're minding your risk. That's it. That's the secret. That's the secret. And it ain't sexy. It ain't gonna go viral. But that's it. What's happening, everybody? What's up, Alex? P-Dice, Sniper Meow, Off Near. What's going on, everybody? What's up? What's up? Indeed. I am going full board here. I need a bicycle. You need a trike. That's what you need. You need a trike with a basket, an American flag, and some nuggies and a baseball bat. USA. USA. Come on, 51st state. Trump, come and invade us. We need you. It's the hardest thing in the world to do, and yet, if I didn't get that right, I can pack it in. Absolutely, man. Yeah. No, you right. Get her done, bro. Get her done. No, I'm really happy for you. Good. 150K, my daily loss is 1,200, and I stick to it. That's kind of deep for, yeah. I mean, that's pretty much my daily loss limit on a 300K account. But you know, that takes some refined discipline. And I mean, Busta, you got it. So you're doing very well as well. I'm very proud of you too. All you guys that are dialing in that discipline. It's amazing. It's amazing to see, because if you guys remember in the Twitter space yesterday, Kit's Twitter space, you know, ICT was saying just be one and done. If your model doesn't bang at that time it's supposed to, just be one and done. Yeah. So he's right. You know, I've been grinding this for a year straight, over that, but really trying to hammer this home every single day. Daily loss limits. Running micros, you know, I don't mind running minis. I don't mind losing anymore. Those days are over. Me getting mad over losses is over. It's been long since beyond over. It's the thrill of the hunt. That's what you got to look at it as. You know, you take a loss, and like I got one student that's just, he's ready to tilt his whole account. He's so pissed off. I'm like, dude, he's like, I'm just going to tilt this account and go back to tape reading for a few weeks. I'm like, dude, you don't have a monthly fee on your account. Just let it sit there. Tape read for a few weeks. And when price action finally shows that it's back to being organized, then guess what? You have the highest probability of digging that account out. How good would that feel if you were 100, 2, 3, whatever, away from blowout, and then you revive that account? That is awesome. And that's a challenge that I give to all of you. Go into drawdown. Sit there for a few days. Bask in it. Bask in the grossness of losses. And then recover. That's powerful. That's the best thing you could ever do. It encourages discipline, patience, contentment, all these stuff that you have problems with. Condition yourself. Be a professional. Says the retarded frog in a pool. What's up? Another beautiful day to be alive. What's up, friends? Hello, what's happening? Savin, just chilling. What's up, Ricky did it? 11:23, tailless bugger. Let's go take a peek. What is it? 11:23? Yeah. You snot-nosed punk candlestick right there, huh? Right freaking there. Well, we've got an open of 578.25 and a low of 578.25. Oof. Just about hit targets here. just shy. Rude. Rude. So this is where I'd like be moving my stop up, right? It either is or it isn't. So if it round trips, then it round trips. What was it up? It offered 174 ticks. Admittingly, just with the conditions, I probably would have taken a partial somewhere, you know, right there, right at that wick right there. So we'll just call that a round trip. And that's how freaking snotty price action's been. Nice eyeballs on that guy there. This is the new week opening gap, or what you guys would call a CME gap if you're not a time-based trader. Little piece there missing. That was unfortunate. You know, to all my good morning friends, there's a reason why I was just not into it, you know. And, you know, you could have shorted. Could have got a nice short there. Where were we at here? So let's take a peek. So here's that bulletproof model repeating at the same time today, just not in a direction I would like to see it go. All right, so you've got your, you know, 8:30 a.m. Where are we at here? Right there, 8:30 a.m. Unemployment claims, complete nothing burger, and it's been like this for a freaking year straight, basically. So when I seen that, I'm like, no, 8:30 had to drop down in here. Okay, or start making its way toward here. I mean, that's not making its way. So then we got 9 here. We've got 9:30 right here. So we come down, sweep sell side here, come up, it looking like it's gonna rip for the double top. Finds resistance at the bearish 786. Let's cherry pick this a little bit better. Here we go. And let's see what we could get for targets here. So we got 1.5 standard deviations of that specific price swing, nailed like gangbusters, and proceed to want to make a model and go up and be a jerk, and that's why I don't really want to touch it. Knowing when to stay out is just paramount. And even yesterday, like yesterday morning, I was one and done. I took a trade, lost it right away. I was thinking.
Here's the thing. Oh, listen, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm kind of retarded.
Yeah, we got a new member, Crypto Hertzens. What's going on, brother? Thank you for joining. Appreciate you very much. Where was I? Just knowing in this day. Oh yeah, yesterday I got my butt handed to me. Even in we won one trade and lost another in the PM session. Morning I lost. I thought yesterday was going to full send. Did not do it. Oh well. Set it up, Dragon. Oh, I wouldn't touch this price action either, but today was very profitable. Bust trades. You are amazing, dude. Good. What's up, Stas? Back from the gym this weekend. This week was awesome for me. Attaboy. Well, the week was great. Just yesterday was just grouchy. Yeah, let's see if I can. I'll show you guys this wicked trade. I couldn't sleep. I'm just wide awake without the smoke. I'm just a hyper high-strung individual, and it just doesn't seem to want to tone down. All right, let's see. We'll make sure. Yeah, it's good. Wait. Yeah. This stupid thing. Couldn't paste. What's going on here? You're being a jerk. Bruh. The image you being pasted is way too large. How does that work? I do this all the time. It doesn't even make sense. Wow, what a jerk. Oh well. Oh well. Oh well. Either way, the execution was right there, and my exit was right here, and that was enough. And I'm so glad that was enough. Oh my goodness, I would have round tripped, and if I fell asleep and left my stop where it was, I would have been loosed. It is what it is. But yeah, it felt great, so I just don't even care to trade today. So if you guys came here for some action, sorry. Yeah. I quit smoking. I'm an idiot. I gotta quit smoking. I still smoke cigarettes. I just don't smoke that other stuff now. Just kind of a natural quit, I guess. Just sick of leaving my house and being around people. I don't want to leave my house and be around a bunch of freaks more than I want to get high. Hermit style. 100 busted trade. Nice. Bro can't sleep now. MJ helps. Another 1.8 for me. Small gain. Now chilling. Nice. Nice. You stop cigs or the lettuce? The lettuce. Yeah. I got some nice support from friends who, you know, they're promoting sobriety and stuff like that, being excellent. So I'm gonna go that route. It's nice to have friends. Nice, thank you, Busta. Appreciate you, man. Alex, I'm going full board. I need a bicycle. Mario says 75. Ooh, okay, so what's going on here? What time is it? 32, so another 37 seconds here, and I'll have my answer. It's funny. I was gonna tell ICT about my discoveries with 1 minute candlesticks and time and stuff like that, and then ICT or Kit started talking about not giving away Easter eggs, and I was like, dang it! All right, then I'll shut up. Yeah, Wildberries is killing it, man. He is just savage, doing really good lately. There we go. All right. So if we can flip this guy. Oh, we did it. We did it. So I'm going to take another practice trade. And we're just going to bully price around. Because I definitely don't want to lose any gains, and this is, it looks like it's, I don't care. I just don't care. I know it's a little doomy, I just don't care. What's up, off near? Oh, ish. Nice. Berries. Yeah, it's the hardest thing in the world to do, and yet, if I don't get it right, I can pack it in. Yeah, managing them losses, bro. Holy shnikey. It's just... You know, ICT says 90%. I say it's way more than that. Yeah, especially in crypto. It's more like 99%. If you go and take a look at all the wallets that were created in a year, only 1% of those wallets are up more than $500. Oof. We playing SMC, which was solely invented by ICT during what? But that there is no SMC before. What? Write that again. I want to read that. Busta been shining hot, bright as the sun this year. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Is audio skipping? Nah, bro, refresh. I wish I allowed that device in my soul very early on. This is 100% the truth. Oh, the advice, yeah. It's something you grow with, bro. You're not just born with it. You're born with emotions and impulses and chemicals that fuel those emotions and impulses. And you learning to control yourself takes time and a very dedicated, conscious effort. And it's something that you got to compound and carry through. And you literally have to gaslight yourself through this entire process. That's the reality. You got to sit there at your computer in a professional mindset, not a desperate, mindset, like completely different, right? You got to literally pretend that you're already professional and then you'll get to professional. It's so weird, but that's how it works. That better be a short by the end of today. I think audio sounds pro. Music reduces when he talks. Very pro. Yeah, we turn the compression on. You gotta compress it and then turn a side chain on. That's right. Side chain. And then more side chain. And then more side chain. That's how you do it. Woo! Crypto Hersons. In recovery myself, and it feels good. Not quitting, pun intended. Bro, I'm retarded today. My brain's just only half functioning, I think. I don't get it. Sorry. 7. What do you mean he lost a trade? I don't know what you're talking about. Bro, literally need to buy diapers, but subs to friend. You guys, when English isn't your first language, it's tough to really get what you're saying sometimes. Oh, I see what you're saying. Oh, okay, yeah. Bro, go buy your diapers. I see what you're saying now. It takes a few weeks to fix sleeping. Try Bondorman. Okay, thank you. I am taking a screenshot of that one. Thank you. I don't know, man. Yeah, well, as far as addicted, yeah, no, you're right. You're right. Yeah, if I don't have a smoke in an hour, I'm a nutcase. I'm just like ready to find a freaking gopher to shoot. Same thing happened to me, Savin Crypto, yeah. That's weed symptoms to want to be alone and... No, it's not. No, it's not. It's not at all that, actually. I don't know where you are. Actually, I do, but Canada sucks right now. Anyway. Whew. Bryn just had to become one with the charts. He is now free from it. Bondarman, that ish. Nice, thank you. We'll be playing Smart Money Concepts, which was invented by SMC during COVID-18. Before that, everyone was using MAs. Michael's been teaching this stuff since 1996. Since the internet came out. He was on Baby Pips. He was underground doing this for a long time. Long time. And he was already had this stuff figured out. So how long before he came out of the woods? Bro's been doing this for like 40 years, dude. It's pretty much since they invented charts. Gotta have my protein or my fingers shake. Yeah, man. Yeah, we're going on a protein diet here. Straight up meat, eggs, cheese, milk, turkey, bacon. Canadian government. I've been blackpilling since this buttface got in office. Like, there's no. I don't even want to get into it. I will lose my beep. He even got sued for doing this. Who's that? It all sucks, bro. Yeah. Baby Pips was the shiz, you know, right? Yeah, your clown PM sucks hard. Our clown, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, dude. And you're never gonna. I will say this. This is what just drives me bat-ish crazy. Okay, is when people are like, "Oh, you voted for this. Oh, you guys got what you voted for." No, nobody. Yeah. Because the United States is the only place where they have, the elections rigged, right? Right. We voted for this, right? Oh, I gotta calm down. Woo wee. Right. Alright, once again, moving my stop up. It either is or it isn't. Maybe Michael worked at Wintermute. No, and those aren't market makers either. Newsflash, Wintermute is not a market maker. There's no people that are pushing the market around. It's not people. It's an AI algorithm. Oh man. People making the market stopped on the day before 9/12 when they, basically collapsed the trading floor at the World Trade Center. Ever since then, it's been an algorithm. There's no more shadow people in the back rooms, stop hunting people. It's way more efficient to do it with a computer. Or jump trading. Bro, I get you on that. Yeah, bro. I've been writing my journal entries twice. What? First time is what I did and what I feel. Second is a fabricated story about how I overcame the challenges I face and reacted correctly and why. Holy moly. Wildberry's doing the Jedi mind tricks on himself. That is awesome. No wonder you're doing so good. Yeah, you know what? As a matter of fact, if you're not journaling, guess what? Wildberry's got you beat. And he's always going to have you beat. And your ego will go, no, I don't need a pen and a paper. I'm too good for that. I have a computer. Nope. Write it down. Attaboy. It is the single thing I have done that has granted me that pause to stop and think when I'm deep in the ish. Dude, you are amazing. Are you telling me it's not supply and demand? What the hell? I love when people say, market makers, they use Elliott wave. And then other people will be like, market makers, they use animals. They use harmonics. Oh boy. Oh, you see, you guys are hanging out back there. That's pretty cool. Good. You guys got a little community of friends. That's awesome. Writing in cursive does more for the brain too. I've been doing that lately. Timmy313 journaling. Wow. How long did it take you to start journaling, Timmy? Be honest. We've been hanging out for a couple years now. How long did it take you to journal? Because you didn't do it right away. That I remember. He wasn't the only one who invented the logic, just made it acceptable. Okay. Shut up. Yeah, he was, okay? He was the one who invented time-based trading, okay? I don't play models, you guys. Newsflash, my entries are based on time. My exits are based on time. You eliminate the need for the noise of all of that stuff, and the only thing that matters is buy low, sell high, which is exactly what I did here. You want to know what's funny? It's funny that you're here, and I'm gonna post a screenshot for you just so you can see. Okay? ICT London kill zone. What time? What time is it, Staz? Huh? When you start inventing stuff like he did, then you're permitted to be full of yourself. Okay? And I love the way he trolls everybody. I love it. Absolutely love it. As a matter of fact, it's probably my favorite. And he's bringing back Shotgun Saturdays. Woohoo! Okay? Now, did he invent the Fibonacci? No. Did he invent the fair value gap? No. But he invented what time it works. So for you to say things like that is absolute ignorance. Okay? Makes me wonder what's going on with you. Okay? Where's that guy? Right there. Okay? Go find me. Okay? Go find me anyone that says that this model is going to bang at this time every day and it doesn't miss. Go find it. Doesn't exist. Okay? Doesn't exist. Where did price go? Just didn't sweep that liquidity pool, so we'll cherry pick this one. Where did price go? It went to the double top. Double top's reverse price, right? Oh, wow. What happened? Was your stop loss there? Oh. It went to the pool of liquidity at the specific time. Why don't you start journaling in your 1 minute chart what time the bottoms are at, okay? We got you beat, dude. There's nothing like this. It's not even in the same ballpark. You're not even playing the same game. Look at that. Liquidity run at this time. Where's that? Where's that in your books before ICT? Where is it? Doesn't exist, dude. Remove your head from your bum. I wish to G's I was 100% in on the jokes when he makes the jokes. They sketch me out sometimes. Which jokes? Which jokes though? Oh, and look at that. My position was railroaded. See, this is why I don't want to trade. This is worse than yesterday, in my opinion. It's probably the same. This was stupid. Holy shnikey. 1, 2, 3 days of just burn. And typically, like when I see this trash in AM session, I'm looking for this 1 hour candlestick. Yeah. To go find somebody else that taught the power of 3. Oh boy, you guys kill me. You guys kill me. I never understood how people learn from journaling before this year. Yeah, it's trippy, eh? It's like you have a conversation with yourself. It's like, okay, you know when you're having a back and forth with your buddy and you guys come up with like a really good plan or a good idea or a funny joke, and it's just like, you know, one of those over the top phenomenal things, and you're like, that was awesome. You would have never come up with that if you weren't sitting there with your buddy. right? So what ends up happening is you're having a conversation with your past and future self, right? So you're coming up with things, you're reflecting, things are soaking in, and that's the reality. So you're coming up with things, you're remembering things, you're like talking to your future self, right? Exactly what you're learning. That's amazing, dude. Awesome. Yay, mini rant time. I joined at the perfect time. Yeah, I'm trying to calm down. Like, I'm really trying to keep my cool. I know. I'm playing it really good, but inside I'm angry. That trade was from this morning in my sleep. Nice. I liked his evil laugh after he cursed everyone. Yeah, I love it. I love it. This guy's got millions of people watching him. And out of those millions of people, you got about maybe 30, 40, maybe % of those people are haters, right? So when you have that many people hating and you're that good where you're timing your charts down to the minute. Yeah, I love what he does. I love it. Rant justified in my book. Totally. Thank you guys. Thank you. Look, it's been like 30 years. It's like literally 27 years of my life of smoking. And yeah. So if I seem a little off than usual, that's why. Apologies from future in the past. Yeah. Don't let CPI week get to you. I can't stand them. Only Monday. Bro, CPI is usually awesome. That's why I was looking for serious violence yesterday, and it just wouldn't do it. It was really lame. First couple of weeks quitting has you feeling like this. Yeah, I know, right? Boy. It'll be, I'm skinny, so my friends say it's gonna leave my system quicker than, somebody who's big. So, got that going. Yeah, I'm sorry, Stas, but don't come here talking ish about my mentor, okay? I'm gonna make fun of you. Sorry, not sorry. If you spent as much time with him as I have, you would understand. You would understand, and you would grant him you would afford him that ability to be a complete mouthpiece to people. And bait all the haters into, you dorks. And then just walk on them. It's amazing, really. Damn. See if that can hold. Let's take an emotional practice trade. Let's say, okay, I'm angry. I'm mad because my trades keep round tripping. I'm just gonna enter here because, right? I'm gonna put my stop right there. And let's go here. All right, so this will be the what do you call it? Dang it, what do you call it? Impulsive, that's what I was looking for. This is the impulsive trade where, you're just like, it's gotta go up. Whee! I respect you more, so if I sent you books from 195X speaks about. Yeah, but those books don't say what time the bottom's gonna be in, what time the top is gonna be in, bro. I'm listening to it from years. I respect him, just not a fanboy. No, that's fine. I respect you more. Yeah, thanks. Word up, bro. Yeah, forgive me, man. I'm a little high strung today. From what happened with your fib since 2 years? I don't know what you mean. I don't know what you mean, bro. Fibs look great. Click, 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 click. Like the cat gif, exactly. I'm gonna have to rewatch when I get better service out in the boonies. Good morning, E-boonies. E-boogie in the boonies. The dude talks crypto down a lot. Do you blame him? It's been going, we're round tripping 9 years now. 9 years of gains on just about every asset is round tripping. You could have just called crypto a scam for the last 8 years and been right. You know? Until we get going. I would not post the little trick 2 in the Alright. Get Starlink, yeah. And crypto talks itself down. Off near, you're awesome. I mean, eventually we'll get going. Eventually. Alright, let's bust out an ETH chart. Just for you guys. No. Crypto. It's alright. I mean, my bottom call is still. Well, let's go to the other chart. The bottom, swing low, assume protected. It's still in, even though we didn't get that CPI pump that we were looking for. Well, I was looking for. Boo, Russia. Let's see. So, look, I want you guys to notice something, okay? Here, I'm going to turn the music down just so you guys can hear. All right, check this out, okay? We're doing basic trend stuff, and I'm just actually going to go back to the other chart. Okay, we're going to do trend. And for those of you that don't understand trend and you've only heard of the myth of how trend operates, I'm just going to show you a crude depiction here, okay? You've got your accumulation phase, which is nice, but let's just say the bottom's in and we start trending. We're taking out that high here and then proceeds to a lower low. So you breakout traders, you guys that are breakout trading, and if I sound rude again, I'm sorry. Okay, you breakout traders, you're not doing yourselves any favors. Breakout trading is not a system. Stop it. And if you're buying green candles for a long, you're doing it wrong. Period. End of discussion. Put that in your journal. Okay? You're buying the dip. Trend. Okay? Now, when you're in an uptrend, you're making higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs, higher lows. You can use your Fibonacci tool as a measuring stick to see the relative strength in your trend. So if you're trending off of what you guys would call, local support, it's looking really strong. If it comes down deeper than the 786, it doesn't mean that it's not as strong. It's just that the V shape needs to blast into the higher high because that's a stop hunt. Okay. This is my favorite right here. This right here, absolute all time. If I was ever going to just trade a price action profile, this one right here for the rest of my life, I would never do anything else. I would buy that and I would sell that, and Bob's your uncle. And basically what I did in London last night. Okay, so your relative strength in your trend can be seen as this. You can come down to the 786. If you're dipping, and you don't take liquidity here, that's set up. You're getting baited because it's likely going to come and snap down into that double bottom after it plays out, right? It's not that double bottoms don't play. You can get your 1, 2, 3 to 1 R, right? You can play your little double bottom thingy here, right? Put your stop below whatever low and get your 3 to 1. Okay, great. You got a 3 to 1 R, 4 to 1 R. Now what? Your trade's over. Collapse the trade and go enjoy your day, because if you leave yourself exposed, price is coming here to hurt you. That's how it works. Don't argue. Go look at your charts. That's how it works. So, trend, very important. Now, when you're coming down from the top, how do you understand that you're breaking trend? Okay? Because there's a swing high right here. Okay? And it's broken right there. Okay? That's your trend break right there. You've got a series of lower lows, lower highs, right? Price action breaks the trend here and then has a higher low. That next higher high confirms you're in the trend, and then you start uptrending. Market maker buy model. Okay? Let's go back to Ethereum and check out this. So if you go back into my playlist, ETH alt season playlist, and they're just pretty much almost all of them are just short little clips. But we were looking for a swing low here. It took liquidity. It made a swing low, right? So there's your lower low in the trend. Now, was it preceded by a higher high? Did it come here and take this swing high? No. Okay. So now we've got another liquidity sweep here and a swing low, right? Where's the next swing high to break the trend? Right here. Did price action come here after taking out that swing low? No. Price action comes down again, deep in a discount. Makes a swing low. Where's your next swing high? Right there. Bam. Trend is broken. Okay. Your next higher high confirms you're in the trend. And yeah, well, either way, where did it go? Did it go to the double top where I teach you? Yes. Yes. In fact, it went exactly there and not anywhere else before, eating everybody. So this is kind of where we've been, trying to figure out, like, was that there, the higher low in this trend? And then we would have to come for this guy here, right? Did we do that? No. So we've got, another higher low here. Did we come for that high in the trend? No. So no trend break. Now we're down in this discount. We've taken liquidity here. Everybody who was chasing this bull flaggy thingy, gross looking thing here, they've been wrecked. That's where price is going. It's going to hurt people. It's not going to do something else or something random. It's going to do what it's designed to do, which is just hurt people. It's a slaughterhouse. And the sooner that you understand this, the sooner you're going to likely be a little bit more consistent and not let these charts get the better of you, because that's what's going on here. It induces you with euphoria to railroad you after. That's what it does. Go look at any chart, okay? Check this out. Beginning of Ethereum. There's a double bottom here, okay? Double bottom's reverse price, right? Well, why did everybody get liquidated before it went up? Because that's how it's designed. It doesn't do anything else. It hurts people. It's rude and very mean. Did your double bottom see some gains? Yes. But you don't pay yourselves. You leave yourselves exposed, and that's why it comes here. It didn't come here on a whim. It wasn't selling pressure. It's not random. It came here to hurt us, okay? Boom. And then it rips. So, where are we at now, right? We're here. And we've got another swing low here. Did it snap up and proceed to take out that swing high? No. So now we got this going on here. So, Sami, if you're watching, this is what I've been waiting for, is a violent reprice above this high. But now that we've got this information here, we've got a swing high right here, brother. Okay? Right there. We take that, the trend shifts, as long as it takes it with some oomph. And this week has to close without taking that. No, otherwise, April's just got to open up in full send. Otherwise, we're waiting a whole other freaking year, which would really suck. Anywho, so if this week closes and does not take that high, that's going to be our trend break. Just like that guy. Right there. Okay? And that's, the money printer. That's why I called it the money printer. Brrr. So this is what we're waiting for, and it's actually been exhausting and very, spiritually and emotionally defeating. And I'll tell you right now, it's the exact same scenario that was going on years ago, right there, when I rage quit right here, right? You chase it, everybody's like, crypto, blah, 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 blah. Friggin' weeks later, I think it was this summer, yeah, right in around here. What is that? June? Yeah, it could have even been here. We'll just say this one. And rage quit. You're in this thing for 751 days. Is that it? Or is that dollars? Hold on a second. No, 161 days. 161 days. You don't know what you're doing. You got a bunch of people just blasting, oh my goodness, crypto, blah. And then it comes down. And when you don't know what you're doing, and you see these red candles, yeah, I rage quit right at the bottom on this one. And boom, boom, right? So I'm not ever doing that again. I don't care how long it takes, okay? Because same story, morning glory. right? What happened? What happened here? This was painful. Okay. This was the most elongated, painful freaking process ever. Especially if you're top blasting, right? You're buying tops, you're in for like 3 years. It doesn't want to do anything until 2021, 3 years later, finally gets its butt moving. But where did it come from? Did the buying pressure start here, or did the buying pressure start there? Where did the buying pressure start? Here? When you felt comfortable because it was going up? Who chases things that go up in price? When you go to the store, are you looking for a discount, or you're like, no. That thing's 90% off. I'm not touching that. That's garbage. I'm going to wait for it to come up about 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Boom. I'll get it at 90%. You're right. From the 90% discount. So you're like, the thing was $100, right? It's on sale for $10. You're like, no, forget that. No. I'm going to wait for it to go to $99 and then I'm going to buy it. That's what you guys are doing when you're chasing price. It's cheap down here. Okay. That means you're in a discount. Weird, right? Weird that you can relate a flea marketplace to the marketplace. So right there, okay? That's where everybody rage quit. And I got receipts. Bitcoin stole the show. Ethereum's dead. Wham. Yeah? Weird. Weird that you were all wrong again. Oh, I wonder what we're doing now. Now, I know. This is max pain right here. Okay? Seek and destroy profiles are horrible. But that's your little premium discount lesson and why you should not be chasing price. So all these people that are chasing short, calling for $300 Ethereum, they're cooked, beyond cooked, and they're not going to make it. They're not going to be around next year. Definitely not the year after. So there you go. But best case scenario, we do not take that high this week. We close just where it is. Screw around for the rest of the week. And then, next week, maybe the next one, maybe April, blah, I don't know. But once we take that, we'll see how dynamic it is in its trend shift. And then I'll be aiming for this macro double top here. So you guys that play like double tops and stuff like that and like retail stuff, you need to understand that I don't knock this stuff. Okay. It's not that it doesn't work. It's that people don't know how to manage positions. People don't know how to control losses, and they make pattern trading look hard. So the double top and the premium sent it to liquidity, right? And you got, depending, you play your bearish engulfing candle, that's right there, stop loss above the high. Bam, your position was banger. Pay yourself, because I'm telling you right now, when we finally get back up into price discovery, there is so many buy orders from people shorting that it's likely going to send this thing right up to like 15, 20 grand. Okay. It is a commodity still. So, eat it. And, that's just assuming that crypto's not dead, that everybody claims crypto's dead. They're all chasing metals, the top of gold, the top of oil. It's hilarious to just sit here like with these eyeballs that, my good morning friends and I have. We're seeing the entire world get hurt from a whole new perspective. That's what these markets are designed to do, is hurt you. So don't let them get the best of you. You buy low, sell high. So what are you doing buying green candles? Doesn't make sense, does it? So stop doing it. Those people, like, look at Randy Boo. Look at Crypto Banter. Bro goes long on oil and 15 minutes later gets slapped, dumps in his face. Oh, because you were longing the top like a rookie. So what are you doing with millions of subscribers, huh? Those people are there to counter trade you. He's like the brown Jim Cramer. Anyway, so that's your lesson for today. And I'm still convinced the bottom's in. I'm not, it hasn't shown a willingness to want to go lower. This is my, projections and analysis here. Swing low, assumed protected. That doesn't mean it is. It's just assumed for now. And this is what I'm looking at. Target 3. Boom. 14,500. And I would even go for, bull run target top out 24,101. Jesus. 33. All right, so that's what I'm looking at. This is my copium chart right here. This is my eventually we're going to do this. Just eventually, just keep waiting, keep gaslighting yourself. Eventually we're going to get going. Oh, I don't want to delete that. Let me keep that. And before you guys even knew about these candlesticks, this is what candlesticks used to look like. You want to see? Just 1 second. Okay. So check this out. You guys want to see what candlesticks looked like before? Right here. Where's the bars? Oh, my blind or just stupid? Sometimes those things overlap. Oh, right at the top. Duh. Right there. There we go. That's what candlesticks looked like before they were filled. Back in the dizzy. Pretty skimpy, huh? And that's why I got my other ones drawn like that. Oops. Hey, my trade's playing out. I didn't get stomped on. Or wait, did I? Oh, let's see here. No, that was it there. Nice. Nice. Right in here. Nice. Oh, let's see if we round trip another practice trade. This will be the last one. I'm just going to do a quick little live with you guys. Hang out for a little bit. Just make sure I showed up. See what you guys are up to. Talk some ish. And now that it's coming against my practice position, it either is or it isn't. Maybe I took a partial at that swing high. Maybe not. It's making equal highs. This thing is working up a... I see it. Look, I see a bunch of signatures that says that this thing is going to snap out. Eventually, hopefully next week. ICT was saying about some rollover that we're waiting for, which was my question for him yesterday in the space. Why after didn't we just start ripping to pair those orders with the shorts? And then he answered it adjacently with Buddy's other question. So just sit here and wait some more, you guys. I know it sucks. Look at your daily chart. Especially, Baby Shark, if you're here and you're ever having issues, I want you to go just look at your daily chart, okay? And ask yourself, why am I having issues? This chart should make it pretty obvious why, people who are just getting into trading or even just anybody. Just go look at the daily chart. What's going on here? Nothing. Does that mean you can't trade? No. It means you got to be in and out burger. You got to be content, picky, not trade every single day. Yeah. So, even look at Bitcoin. Hey, we got memes. Let's look at Bitcoin. You guys have been like, oh, I've been having trouble. I can't trade. And we got people in the Discord lashing out at others because they're getting liquidated in here. It's rinsing out old meat and bringing in fresh blood. I'm still aiming for that. Bottom still in until it isn't. And yeah. I was just really looking for some violence this week. Didn't get it. So yeah, that's your lesson light for the day. $36 people. How many people do we have on X? How many shares do I got? Checking out my shares. 6 shares. Wow, you guys are awesome. Thank you. Pumping up them numbers. Thanks, guys. So yeah, same story in the monthly chart here for Bitcoin. Oh no. Swing low in a discount 786, and that's why I called the bottom. And as long as this tail holds, Sami. Remember I says we demand precision? We've got it, so that's why I'm kind of like, okay, where we going? Look at, boop. Yo, Sami, check out that. Pretty hard to improve on perfection, huh? So if this swing low holds for March, I'm aiming for up. And that's what I want right there. All right, broski. He's so busy. I don't know if he's watching. Maybe I'll make a short or something. But yeah, so it is until it isn't. And the whole planet wants 50K. They're not, or 40K. They're not getting it. Likely. I could just say that because they usually don't get what they want. Yeah, I guess that would be my position coming and round tripping me for the 3rd time. So, boy, oh boy. But I see Sam's ascending cheeseburger right here. Yo, Sammy, you watching me, bro? You guys sending cheeseburgers in the house. People be like, oh, you drew a triangle. You're racist. Nah, dude. Kind of hard to ignore them when they're, you know, sticking out like a sore thumb, especially when you dump like that. So, yep. I mean, look at this awesome, complex, gimpy, gross Head and Shoulders in a premium market. Of course, that's gonna bang. But of course, man, I want this so bad. Oh my goodness, so bad. I'm just itching for this. Right. Come on, there. Oh, I want that so bad. Oh, I got it. Oh, but I want it even more now. When it just comes and daps that liquidity pool right there and then trades away and it takes that high but not that high. Maybe it took this high but not that high. I can see that there's just tons of people trying to short this. They're gonna get smoked. It's gonna be funny. Anyway, digressing from all that. Keep my cool here. Back in the chat. What's going on, everybody? Get a Starlink. Get a Starlink. I'll buy BTC under $7,500. You're funny, dude. Crypto Arsons, love this. Yeah, man, love you too. No pants. Who gonna unseat Michael Saylor? Just out of respect. Oh, man. I don't want to hurt anyone's feelings. I really don't. And it sucks. Oh, excuse me. If it prints the stops against you, you know you cooked. You mean BOS plus FVG is a good thing? You're awesome. Once it picks momentum, boy, it will blast. You're on fire, friend. Preach, brother. Thank you. Pray to the BOS plus FVG gods. Yeah, I think that's Poseidon, right? Maybe it's Hercules. Wait, was he a god? Is Hercules a god? Can't remember. I have to ask ChatGPT. It ain't married, yeah? 64 years on the 15-minute, I mean. What is a buying pressure? Hi, I used to chase price action. What's up, Wildberries? And now you anticipate price action. 95% pain, 5% read. That's exactly it. Well said. Jewish New Year is the start of April. Maybe the stars will align. Wow, fancy you say that. I wonder who controls the central banks. Weird that our algorithmic open would be on April. Yeah. Nice one, bro. Should have held, I can't say that, as a altcoin, 800%. Yeah, you're totally dwarfing all of us. Bro, Pokemon cards beat altcoins this cycle. Think about that. PS2 games beat altcoins this cycle. Like, we're getting trashed. I don't care waiting, but it's race against hair loss. Yeah. I have a hard time reading that. I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, let's chill out and have some tendies. Exactly. What's up, BTC boss? The Chinese invented them to monitor rice prices along the Silk Road. Ooh. Someone is stealing crypto liquidity. Right? Thieves. Oh my gosh. Wait till you guys. Oh my gosh.
We tried. Maybe next year we'll come back and try again? Next year. I'll come back and I'll try it next
year. Word up. Thank you, Wildberries. Dono Waffen in the house. Man, I need some buttons. I need some sound effect buttons. I'm getting those today. Thank you very much, brother. Appreciate you very much. He says, thank you for the lecture today. You're very welcome, man. Yeah, I'm gonna get through this chat and then go play Hot Wheels and Barbies. You late on the LMM class. It's freaking Thursday. Don't even, dude. Green Day's happy, Red Day's sad. No. Green Day's happy, Red Day's controlling risk happy. Always happy. Always happy. Green Day's happy, tilting sad. Yeah. Follow rules. Like, even if you're making money, typically, right, you're following rules, you're playing a model. So, follow rules, happy. Don't follow rules, don't be happy. That's it. Nah, it's hovering too much next to that flag on macro. It's crypto. Yeah. They got a pop to prove to me otherwise. I'm with you on that, dude. I'm literally don't care about even looking at anything until it actually does something, because this is just brutal. Bear flag. They need Master Bear Masterclass at LMM. Like evil guest class. Whee! For Pokemon cards. Exactly. We tired, boss. Yeah. Tomorrow is my day, Friday the 13th. Ooh. I'll tell you this much. Fridays are my most painful freaking days ever. Alright? I hate them. The only one I like is PCE. And I don't think that's this Friday. This profile here in the weekly chart is absolutely garbage. You've got open, low, high on Tuesday, and typically if we're making high of the week on Tuesday in a buy side pool, typically you're gonna railroad for Thursday, Friday, but it's not showing that willingness to want to really drop today, especially for unemployment claims. So
we tried, right? I tried. We did our best. That's all that matters. I did my best. We tried. Maybe next year we'll come back and try it again. Next year I'll come back and I'll try it next year.
That's so cool, man. Thank you very much. Dono Waffen in the house. Used to be 1 CAD, now it's 3 stack for APR. Yeah, you're awesome. You know what I want to do though? I want to make you guys interrupt really hilarious. Like, I'm going to cover the whole screen. I think that's way funnier. I want to make sure everyone sees it. do a replay.
We tried, right?
I tried.
We did our best. That's all that
I
matters.
did my best. We tried.
Maybe next year we'll come back and try it
Maybe
again.
next year. I'll come back and I'll try it next year.
So much fun. Anyway, thank you very much, Staz. Appreciate you, bro. I got some nice beats and a bonus show for you guys here when we get to 50%. And yeah. I don't really know what we're gonna do for the bonus show. Probably like AM session, like NFP, or like I would say CPI, but yesterday sucked.
But I'm so smart. Me. I am so smart. Me. Look at my magical indicator. Look at my squiggly line.
Pete I in the house.
Here's the
Thank
thing.
you very much for
Listen,
your teaching,
I'm gonna be
Master
honest with
friend.
you.
You're very welcome. Ryan, Sir
I'm kinda
F1,
retarded.
welcome. Good morning, friend. Yo! I interrupted on that one. We got to play that one again. And I just want to.
Here's
We're
the
gonna be
thing.
fine. Listen,
I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm kind of retarded.
You guys are amazing. Thank you very much. It's so much fun. PCE is tomorrow? Yeah, well, I ain't banking on nothing. That's what I was kind
We
of...
tried,
Is it
right?
tomorrow?
I tried.
Oh my
We
gosh.
did our best. That's all that
I did
matters.
my best. We tried.
Maybe next year we'll come back and try it
Maybe
again.
next year. I'll come back and I'll try it next year.
Oh my gosh, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much, Offnear. Shout out, you guys. Amazing. So much fun. It's funny. The day that I'm like, you know, just like, I don't know. The day that I'm actually grouchy, you guys are so nice to me. I'm gonna be grouchy more often. No, I'm just kidding, but thank you. Awesome. Awesome stuff. Thank you, man. Nah, you guys are amazing. Let's turn it up a bit.
What was that?
Oh my goodness! Reliable J!
What was that?
Yo, shout out Reliable J! That's awesome. Thank you, brother. Wow, that's amazing. Holy shnikey, we're at 45%, man. I better get my button gear. Wow. Okay, so tomorrow, I didn't see that on the factory calendar. Let me check it out. And you guys are awesome. Reliable J, you're awesome. Thank you. Pete I, Staz. There was somebody else too. Offnear, Ryan. You guys are awesome. Feels good, man. Thank you. All right. Nope, not that one. Nope, not that one. I'm trying to find a specific song. There we go. Is tomorrow PCE, really?
We tried, right?
I tried.
We did our best. That's all that
I did
matters.
my best. We tried.
Maybe next year we'll come back and try it
Maybe
again.
next year. I'll come back and I'll try it next year.
Ryan, here to be with friends. Thank you very much. Appreciate you, man. You guys are awesome. Yo, these guys are pushing it. You're pushing. All right, so tomorrow's PCE. We'll say 40. We'll just call it. What's up, Jaden? Is mommy putting baby down? Is that why you're in here? Here, tell these guys to like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Hit the bell for notifications.
Hit the bell for notifications.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Here's the thing.
Fine. Listen,
I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm kind of retarded.
Nice.
Hi.
Who's that?
Who's that?
Celebrate 14 months of memberships. Hey, I'm new here. Man, you're awesome. What's up, honey? I'm busy live streaming.
How do you get Great Nate's head off?
You gotta go get the screwdriver. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, go ask mom if she can put it. I think she needs a diaper. Look
tried,
at
right?
this
I
big
tried, I
baby.
tried.
Holy
did our
moly.
best. That's all
I
that
did
matters.
my best.
Oh my goodness.
Maybe next year we'll come back and try it again.
Next year. I'll come back and I'll try it next year.
Oh my goodness, we hit it. We hit it. We hit the bonus show. Dono goal, 50%. Thank you very much, you guys. You guys are awesome. Well, I guess we're doing AM session tomorrow. Let's see if I can sleep properly tonight and actually be up. And my wife's looking at me. She's like, uh-oh. Look out. Come on, Peepoo, say wee.
Wee!
No, let Peepoo do it. You say wee.
Wee! Wee! Wee!
All right, you guys nailed it. You pushed it over the top. Awesome. First bonus show coming up. I'll give you guys a sneak peek at the intro.
Yeah.
Sneaky peek.
Yeah.
Okay, don't please. Bonus show intro, the limbo.
The
Excuse me. What are you doing? Yeah, say please and thank you. I think there's batteries on the fridge. All right, let's get down to business. Wow, you guys are amazing. That's awesome. First bonus show coming up here. Yeah. Tomorrow morning. PCE. Let's do it. Let's do it. And I'm gonna give you my guess, my pre-guess for tomorrow. Okay, this is what I want to see. I am aiming for this. And I'm gonna pick the lowest high out of the two. Not that high, that one. Alright, I'm gonna pay the trader here if it's offered to me. And I'm going to long right here. Okay, that's my guess. We're a little bit lower. Somewhere just in the middle there. Right there. Alright, that's my guess. And so if everything's on side, we're gonna have a good, awesome. Oh my goodness. You guys are amazing. Aw. Who was that? BTC Boss, this message made possible by you, so much love. Thank you very much, BTC Boss. Man, feeling it today. You guys are making my armpits sweat. I haven't even taken a trade. That's awesome. Man, you guys are awesome. I love friends. Thank you. Let's play another cool track here. Well, I'm going to switch something over here. See if we can find, give you a pre-bonus show track here. All right, testing. There we go. Okay, we're on the bonus show. Let's see. I know you guys are just here for music anyway. All right, press 1 in the chat if you want drum and bass, or press 2 if you want some bass house. Your pick. You guys pick it. Wow, that's amazing. Is that reliable, Jay? Bro, you didn't even send a message with it. You just dropping. Okay, what's going on here? I'm missing your super chat. Or is that a sticker? What's going on here? Oh, no, that was earlier. I see. Wow, this message made possible. Much love. You guys are amazing. 2, you guys want some bass house. All right. I see 2s. Okay. Right here.
With the 9mm sound. With the 9mm sound.
Man, that was fun. Thank you, everybody. You guys are amazing. Wow, that was awesome. I'm at a loss for words, actually. The Gandalf head bob dance. I'm noticing some like delay in my eyeballs. What's going on with my eyeballs? It's supposed to be like that. I'm gonna have to message my tech guy. Tech waffin. Hey, what's going on with my eyeballs? Why did they look all goofy? Boom. Let's go to the baseball game. Get some tendies. Throw the ball around. Say hoorah. Oh, that was amazing, you guys. Awesome. Yeah, speechless. You guys are amazing. So tomorrow, let's see, launch a bonus show at 8:30 a.m. Holy moly, I hope I can get to bed. Oh boy. Yeah. I want to hear the title song to your intro in full. There you go, bro. You nailed it. I have $10 on He Sleeps In. I probably won't be sleeping. I'll be sitting there laying in a puddle of cold sweats. That's the night shift for you, I know, right? Yeah. There you go, bro. Nailed it. Master Friend Original Bass House. Sometime. The Gandalf head bob dance. Dude, that thing you made me was creepy. You made me look like a... Never mind, I won't say it, but you know what I'm going... You know where I was going with that. Yeah. So, right on. That's my guess. And just as long as we stay inside of this little gap here, then, yeah. Yeah. Well, thank you very much, you guys, for joining. It was an awesome session. I don't want to quit too early because you guys have been so great, but I'm going to get everything ready. And yeah. Make sure everything's kosher. And then we'll meet up tomorrow morning. If there is the case that I do sleep in and, you know, things don't work out, then I will do it Saturday. Is that cool? Let me know if that's cool. I don't like streaming when Sammy's live. Not right now. You know, him and I are bros, so I don't want to like try and jump on his time slot. So that's why I don't. And there's other reasons, but yeah. So if it's gonna be, it's gonna be from 8:30 till 10. Otherwise, it's Saturday. You guys get to pick. What do you want? You guys want a Saturday hangout bonus show, or do you want press 1 for Saturday, press 2 for tomorrow? What's up, Reggie? I'll take another side of that bet. TGIF. Nah, I quit smoking weed, dude. I'm a mess right now. So he might get that $10. Don't bet him. So 1 for Saturday, 2 for tomorrow. Everybody wants tomorrow. Gotcha. All right. Wow, 41 people on here. You guys are awesome. Staz says 1. Ooh, Staz wants a Saturday bonus show. Saturday tinfoil night. Oh, that's pretty good, dude. That's pretty good. Wow. Yo, BTC boss, message me on Discord just because, and make sure you write that in the chat and press enter, okay? So I don't forget. You guys want press 3 if you want a tinfoil stream. You want me to go real deep. One, or I will snitch to Zeno. You on Sam Time. Funny. Yeah, 3s. Everybody's got the 3s. Holy moly, that's going to be hilariously awesome. You will get banned. Well, we'll use code words. Yeah, I'll make a dictionary. Yeah, MG. Welcome back, brother. Hey, tinfoil. Nice. I hope your job's going well. I seen that you sent another message after I was replying to you there, and I didn't get to read it, and I didn't remember till after the show. So my apologies. I was trying to, help you with the 15-minute time cycle thing to run time-based trades on your job site. If you have the ability to just peek at your chart periodically every 15 minutes, right? So let's take a little gyanda here. And, you're checking your chart. Did you close above the down close candle? No. Okay, yes, you did. All right. So you'd be going like this, right? Wherever you want to take that trade from, up to you. Right? Would you consider that a close above? I wouldn't. And that's there, right? So let's go like this, right there. Measure the drawdown. What is it to your potential stop loss? I'd use half the OB, 154 ticks, not too bad. Targeting that high there, and you got stopped out. So this one would have been a losing day, and that's fine. If you were trying to capitalize on a profitable day, what would that look like? Well, even here, this was rough too. Right? Where's our thing here? 930. Well, this one was kind of good, right? Sweep up, close below up, close candle. Here's your bearish order block and stop loss. I'd use that little wiki poo right there just to see what is the stop there. 120 ticks, not bad. Okay. Taking it to sell side liquidity. You don't check till the end of the day because it doesn't matter if you win or lose your trade. You're going to ruin your day. Okay, you're going to be like, yeah, I won my trade. Screw off, boss. I'm out of here. Or you're going to be like, oh my gosh, I lost another trade. Life sucks. And I got to be at the stupid job. So don't look till the end of the day. All right. One loss, one win. And even though this was so ruthless yesterday, you still would have made it out alive. So if you are afforded the opportunity to look at your charts periodically, you can run that. Are your dreams intense since you quit? No. Well, okay. Yeah, man. I can't. It was gross, so I'm not gonna say it here. I'm just gonna say, nah, it's gross. I don't want to say it here, but holy shnikey, bro. Yeah, it was gross. And I didn't remember right away until I was, doing something, and then I was like, oh my goodness, yuck. But I back when I was a rave machine. I used to, right? So when we were doing Serial and Sky Tracks and stuff like that, I was lucid dreaming, and I was dreaming within dreams, and I would need to wake up several times just to get back here. Very trippy, but yeah, bro. I cursed the Jamaican who found that flower. Was it Jamaica or was it India? I don't know. Sweaty nights, yeah. He had zero dreams if he smoked a lot. No, I'm a vivid, avid dreamer. We need a Master Friend decoder ring as merch. Nice. Yeah, I mean, just send it, bro. Staz. My DMs are always open to you, man. I remember my dreams being mega insane when I quit. Proper intense. And yeah, that's why wild berries, because you don't really have them when you're chonging. I do. But some people don't. Mario says 3, 4, and 5. You're funny. Yeah, some of mine were nightmares too, man. Yeah. Well, it's really gross, so I don't want to say it on the live. Maybe I'll say it on Twitter, and I'll get ChatGPT to make me a picture. Because boy, that was gross. Smoker's dream. They just can't remember them usually. Yeah. You know, it's funny you say that, Staz, because when I was coming up, I would only smoke at nighttime. And I really wanted to be on my game, and it was just a different time. And there wasn't so much doom around, right? But no, you're definitely right. You used more of my brain. More of my big white brain. Now, you guys are absolutely amazing. Best chat in the universe. Thank you very much, you guys. don't do anything I wouldn't do. We will see you tomorrow afternoon, and be safe. Man, who broke my stereo? Got no music now. You do. There you go. All right. You guys have a good rest of your day. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you very much. You guys are awesome. Shout out to BTC Boss, Bust a Trade, Off Near, Bellicose, Ryan, Reliable J, and of course, Staz and Pete. I appreciate you guys. Stay up. We'll see you tomorrow.
everything.